Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study chapter number 4. Dear children, whenever you switch on your computer, you see several changes appearing on the screen. These changes are due to operating system. Windows 7 is an operating system. An operating system is a software that controls all the activities between a user and the hardware of the computer. What are the hardware? Hardware are the devices like mouse, keyboard, etc. And Windows 7 is one of the most widely used operating system. It was developed by Microsoft company. A software is a set of computer programs and gives instructions to the computer to perform many tasks. Okay, then we have Windows 7 is a variety of features. You can do many activities like saving, opening and deleting files, etc. by just clicking on the mouse. So let us study about some new features. Desktop. When computer starts, Windows runs automatically and displays the version of the Windows. It is using like Windows 7 Ultimate and Windows 7 Home Premium. The screen which you have seen this when you open a switch on the computer, this screen is called desktop. The next screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. We have icons on it: start button, desktop, taskbar, system tray. This part is called system tray, this whole part is called taskbar, and this screen is called desktop. A desktop contains small pictures and some names such as my computer, recycle bin. These all are icons. Computer icon. Whenever you double click on an icon, whenever you double click on my computer, you will see this type of window in which we have hard disk drives and we have removable disk. Hard disk drive, it is used to store data on computer. There are many drives of a hard disk such as local disk C, local disk D, local disk E. So we can store our data in many places. Local disk C is where we have programs that are essential for a computer to run. Okay, then we have these drives store data and information on a computer. Then we have devices with removable disk. The floppy disk is used for storing data on the floppy disk. Floppy disk is something which we can remove it. That is why this is here removable disk. Now we have recycle bin. Recycle bin is a dustbin of computer. When you delete a file or folder, they go in the recycle bin. You can easily store and delete files once again from the recycle bin. If you have deleted something mistakenly, so you can restore it from recycle bin. Everything you delete, that goes directly to recycle bin. Document icon contains files and folders. A file contains information stored in the computer. There are many types of files like text files, sound files, image files, and a folder is a collection of different files. If you create files like files of your images, file of your videos, file of your movies, so that will go to one folder. If you create one folder, so one folder may contains many files. A folder may also contain another folder. How to create a folder? You will right click on it on the desktop like you do refreshing, then you will see a new option here. You can see it, new. You will click on it, a list will appear, there is written folder, and like this new folder will be created. You will do this on your PCs or laptops you have. Okay, then we have how to create new folders using Windows Explorer. Move the mouse pointer on the Windows start button. You will go to start button and you will right click on it. Right click of the mouse. Then you will see properties and open Windows Explorer. Then you will click on this option. Number 2, when you click on open Windows Explorer libraries, windows will appear. This types of windows will appear. Okay, then where you will go, click on the desktop. You will go on libraries. Then you will click on the desktop. You can see here desktop. You can see it at the left side, desktop. Click on the desktop. In the left pane on the window, a new window will open. Click on new folder. Click on new folder and new folder will be created. Like this, new folder will be created. There are two steps to create a folder. This is by Windows Explorer, and there was one which you can create it directly from the desktop. How to rename a folder? How to rename? Rename means change the name. Rename using pop-up menu. Select the file or folder that has to renamed. Right click on it. A list will appear like this, and there is written rename. You will click on it and you will type the name which you want to keep and close, save it. Use organized option if you want to organize. Click on select the file folder you want to rename, then go to organize, like here you will go to organize, then you will go to rename, organize, then there will be option rename and you will rename it. There are two types to rename it. Then how to delete folders and files and folders. Select the file or folder to be deleted by single click the mouse button and list option will appear. Where we have rename option on the top, on the above it we have delete option. You will click on delete and they will ask you want to delete it, yes or no. Then you will click yes. If you want to delete, you will click on yes, and if you don't want to delete, you will click on no. You have to do these practicals in your homes. Okay, how to copy and paste. To copy files and folders, given the follow step, select the files and folders, then you have a list. This list have copy, cut. You will copy it here. You will click on copy, then where you have to place it, click on the copy, and wherever you want to paste it, you will select the location where you want to copy the file. Then you will right click on the mouse and click the paste option. जहाँ भी आपने पेस्ट करना है, wherever you want to place it, you will go and place your mouse there, and then you will right click on it, and there will be option paste, and you will paste it. The file and the folder is copied to the new location. These all are the shortcut. To copy, press Ctrl plus C, Control button and C button at once. You have to press it both at once. And then we have to paste, we have Ctrl plus V. You can also use organize drop down menu and select the copy option from it to the copy file or folder. Okay, now I have a list of questions here from this where we have till we have done. You have to do these question answers and fill the blanks. Then you have to send pictures to Ma'am Sabah by writing your names on it. Ma'am Sobia, and then you will send pictures to Ma'am. What is operating system? Define desktop and icon. You will write definition. You have to name icons you can see on my computer icon. When you open my computer, so what are the icons you see there? Write the steps to create a folder. You can write any of the step by organize method or by directly on the clicking on the desktop. What does rename means? And how to copy and paste file and folder, and you will also write the shortcuts. Then I have written fill in the blanks. Dash contains files and folders. Recycle bin is dash of computer. Recycle bin is a dash of computer. A folder contains many dash. A dash is widely used operating system. You will read the chapter thoroughly and you will answer these questions.